now let's go to VS Code. I've already installed VS Code, so let me show you how to install it. Just type VS Code Java, and it will directly click on the first link, and it will take us to its official website. Click on download and select the operating system and download it. As simple as that. Now, how to run our first program in VS Code. Now let's see that. So I'll just copy this. Let me start freshly. New window. I'll just close this and click on open folder, and let me select, delete this and select this folder, but does not exist, it says. Okay, let's open the folder again and click on Java, select, and we will type our first program here. We'll copy it from here. And paste it here. Now let's see if we can run this. So it says find Java extension. So let's find the Java extension. It's not a straightforward method. So we'll have to install extension pack. So just search for, just come here and search for just Java. I've already clicked on installation. So I've already clicked on install. That's the reason it was showing installing. And then click on install, and it will get installed. Everything related from this Microsoft thing, it will be installed. So next thing, what you have to do, go back to our this thing, and there is a new thing coming up here, run and debug. Click on run. So now the issue is we are getting unresolved compilation error. How to solve this unresolved compilation error? We have already written a program, but still it's not working. So what you have to do? So to solve this issue, it's simple. So what you have to press is Ctrl Shift and P, and you will see something called as Java, create Java project. Click on that. If it's not there, then just type Java, and you should see that coming up, Java create project, or create Java project. And next we'll select is no build tools, and select the same folder Java, and give the name as hello world. So these IDEs will internally compile and run the program, not like unlike the first thing which we did. We were manually compiling using Java C, and then running the program, running that class which was generated. So that class is nothing but machine language codes which we cannot read it. If you open that class file, you won't be able to read it. So it has opened up another window, so we'll start utilizing this window. Let's close the other one. And now what you have to do is go to source, go to app.java, and it has already given us everything. It has already created lib file, it has already created app.java, and it also has created the class. As soon as you open this Java, it will create the class internally, it will compile and show us. So this is what class file looks like. So what we'll do is we go to Java and click on run, and you should see hello world coming up now. As simple as that.